Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures in that exercise 9.2 8th problem. In 8th problem we have two bits. So first one is 4 equal circles each of radius a touch one another. Find the area between them. So here let's take a diagram like this. These four are the equal circles and touch one another. So let's take from here to here radius A, from here to here radius A. Same like this, we have radius A here, here A, from here to here A, here to here A. So we have radius A for 4 circles. So what we have to find means this one. We have to find the area of the place between the circle. So I am just drawing this square part here. Like this. We have 4 sectors. We have to find the area of this region. And here the radiuses are A. Let's take these sectors as 1, 2, 3, 4. When we combine these 4 sectors, we will get a complete circle. So we can divide a circle into 4 sectors. So what we have to write means, this is first one. So we can write area of the shaded region equal to, so when we subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square, then we get the area of the shaded region. So it is equal to area of the square minus area of the circle. Why I am writing circle here means, we are combining these 4 sectors, it will become a complete circle. So here area of the square means, here a square has A and A plus A, that means 2A. So side of the square is 2A. It is given in problem only, so we can write given that side of a square equal to A plus A, that is equal to 2A. And they gave R equal to A centimeters. So from these two values we can write area of the shaded region equal to area of the square. We all know the formula for area of the square, that is side into side, minus area of the circle. We already know formula for area of the circle is pi r square. Now here side is 2A, so 2A into 2A minus pi r square, that means pi into A square. 2 2 is a 4, A into A is A square, minus pi value is constant, that is 22 by 7 A square. From these two we can take common A square, then we get 4 minus 22 by 7. Next step is A square into, now we can do LCM. So here LCM is 7, 4 into 7 minus 22. Next A square into 4 7s are 28 minus 22 by 7. 28 minus 22 by 7. Next A square into 28 minus 22 is 6 by 7. So the final answer is 6 by 7 into A square. And the final statement is, therefore area of the shaded region equal to 6 by 7 A square. This is the solution for bit 1. Next we have to do bit 2 in the 8th problem. That is, 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of a square so that each circle touches 2 of the others Find the area of the space enclosed between the circumference of the circles, each of the square measuring 24 centimeters. So let's take these 4 circles as 1, 2, 3, 4, and here each circle touches the other 2. That means here 1 touches 2 and 4, 2 touches 1 and 3, and 3 touches 2 and 4, and 4 touches 1 and 3. Here they gave side of a square is 24 centimeters, and they said we have to find the area of this shaded region only. That means they gave us area enclosed between the circumferences of the circle. So same, we have to find the area of this shaded region only, which we already solved in first bit. So here they gave side of the square is 24 centimeters. So let's see the solution for this problem. Bit 2 is given that they simply give here side of the square. Side of square equal to 24 centimeters. Side of square means a plus a, that is 2a. So from this we can write a equal to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. So here a equal to 12 centimeters. So simply we can substitute this a value 12 centimeters in area of the shaded region, which we find before only, that is 6 by 7 a square. So therefore area of the shaded region, or you can also write area of the circumferences of the circle, area of the portion between circumferences of the circle. Or we can write simply area of the shaded region equal to, same this one only, 6 by 7 a square. 6 by 7 a square. In bracket, since a equal to 12 centimeters from the problem. So here next step is 6 by 7 into a square means 12 whole square. Next step is 6 by 7 into 12 square means 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So 6 into 144 by 7. Here 144 into 6. I am doing rough work this side. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 plus 2 26. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. So we get 864 divided by 7. Now the division is 684 by 7. Here 7 1s are 7. Numerator 7 1s are 7. 1 remaining. 1 6 16. 7 2s are 14. Then 2 remaining. 2 4 24. 7 3s are 21. 0.74s are 28. So we can do like this. So we get 123.4. 123.4 centimeter square or square centimeter. So the final statement is, therefore area of the shaded region equals to 123.4 centimeter square. So this is the final solution for this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ఈ వీడియోస్ని తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.